Instructions given by the crew are
El asiento delantero sin bloquear el pasillo ni salida. Por favor, asegúrense que sus cinturones están abrochados, sus mesas plegadas, reposabrazos bajados y persianas de las ventanillas abiertas. Por su seguridad, les...
Ladies and gentlemen, Ryanair is welcoming you here in Barcelona, where the local time is 25 past 7. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the captain switches off the seatbelt sign for you. Take care when opening over luggage, as item of your carry-on luggage may have become dislodged during the landing, fell down and caused injury. For those who smoke, please enjoy your cigarette once you reach a designated smoking area or outside the terminal building.